Let's see how to set AutoText in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, let's say that you have a document where you will be working in chapters or in parts, and you have to format each of these parts. And let's say that you have to insert a certain block of text into every part of this document. And what you can do, instead of manually typing it in or manually formatting it, what you can do is utilize the Quick Parts feature by Microsoft Word. So first off, what you want to do is type in the block or format of text that you want to quickly access. And in this case, I will type in this sentence. Now, let's highlight that sentence. Click on the Insert tab and click on Quick Parts right here. Now, from here, click Save Selection to Quick Part Gallery, and that will save your highlighted text. And simply click on OK once you're OK with the name. And what that looks like now, whenever you click on Quick Parts, is you will see this option that whenever you click it, it will automatically type in that saved text for you. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.